Hey folks, Alan Mandick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. I just passed 1 year on Patreon and I have a special offer just for you. Seriously, check this out. Postcards. I got these high quality limited edition postcards that I printed up. They feature a JLS Customs 33 Dodge on the front of these things and just a little thank you note on the back, and I can personalize another note on there as well. They are seriously high quality postcards. And the idea here is check out my Patreon, patreon.com/HotRodHippie. Just a $1 donation, it can get you one of these things. You don't have to be a continuing subscriber on the Patreon. I would appreciate it if you were. It really helps me to continue to make this content for you folks. But you don't have to do that. Go ahead and submit at the $1 tier, you'll get yourself one of these postcards and then you can cancel at any time. If you sign up at the $5 or above tier, I'll send you 2 of these, one with a personal note and one blank so you can send it to somebody else. So yeah, $1 donation, you can get yourself one of these things. They almost cost me $1 a piece, so I'm not exactly making anything once I slap a stamp on these things. Now all of this will go directly to supporting the Hot Rod Hippie, bringing you more content on here. I want to do far more tutorials, metalworking content on this channel in 2020. I know it's what folks want to see. It's just the most time consuming, materials consuming, space consuming. I want to bring it to you folks, and supporting on Patreon will directly make that happen if you want to see that type of content. Of course, more car shows like SEMA and other car show events around the country I want to get to this year. There's a lot going on and I hope you will come along for the ride with me. Be a link in the description down below to the Patreon account, patreon.com/HotRodHippie. If you're interested in supporting the channel and picking up one of these postcards for yourself, please check it out.